Hi, I'm Robin.
I'm Julie.
We're here to share with you some St. Patrick's Day tips. Well, actually anything spring, but our theme is St. Patrick's Day. So this one is a roller. Do you want happy people in your house? Maybe some jolly leprechauns or happy mermaids?
Yeah, they're always so happy. We need more of those.
So we're gonna make our roller. So this is our roller recipe.
This is called the... We had it all set up, the recipe and everything. But basically, this is really for mood and happy people, stress away. Everybody needs that right now. I think they said on the news something like 87% of people are stressed in America.
That's
like
only 80? I can't believe that.
87%. Like totally stressed and strung out.
I think it's 100%.
100%
So I'm
stress.
gonna smell this while we talk about it. Stress Away has vanilla in it, so if you like sweet smelling things, you like Stress Away.
It's so good.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
And then we have orange. This is seriously my favorite citrus one, and I put it in my kombucha, and it's just happy. It's just all the citrus ones are happy oils. So
yeah.
and your teens they'll take to citrus ones, and so good. Copaiba. This a lot of people don't know about this one, but this is absolutely amazing. It actually magnifies other oils by 10 times, and it doesn't have, it's kind of like an earthy smell.
No, it's
very
very
mild.
It's a good starter oil because it doesn't have a very strong scent at all.
No,
But this is what I like to do.
It's so good. Yeah. If you want to,
Work on your inflammation.
yes,
We're gonna try to
definitely.
Yeah.
Yes, you need Copaiba. That should go in your water every day. That should go on your tongue, on you.
It's a really, 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 really good anti-inflammatory oil.
Really. And Peace and Calming. I love.
Imagine what that does.
Peace and Calming has blue tansy. Look, can you see the blue?
Can you smell it?
Yeah, can you smell it?
Wait, I want some.
It's so good. So if you think about this, rollerball is like amazing.
Yeah, we should make one.
Yeah, we definitely need to make this one. So
here you go.
This is, and if you don't know about rollerballs will change your life. They're a gateway to becoming a professional oiler.
I live on rollerballs.
She does. She puts a roller on every oil.
I'm all about ease of use.
Yes, and you can do, especially for your significant others or your kids, you can do like a drive-by swipe. And you could just walk by them and just swipe the back of their neck.
Here's an example. So I take a regular bottle and I just put a rollerball on it. And then I pass it to the people in the car. Put this on!
That's right.
Or I may chase after you and try to roll you.
Oh, a question we always get is where is the best place to put the oil?
Roll it anywhere.
Roll it anywhere.
Here.
Yep. It's so weird when you roll it on me. So behind your ears, wrists, all those goods. Anywhere you can get oils on.
It takes 20 minutes to go through your whole body. So just get it on and you'll be good. If you are working with people that you feel like the smell might be aversive, you can do it on your feet because it's far. If you are oiling and you have an oil that you don't like the smell of, you can combine it with something you do like the smell of.
Yep. So this is Rockstar. It is called
Technically, it's called the mermaid roller.
the mermaid roller.
But we call it the happy people roller.
Yeah.
Okay.